It's not much that you can buy Bitcoin or cryptocurrency before earning cryptocurrency. Now, I'm here to share to you on how you can get cryptocurrency. This app that you are seeing now is where you will get cryptocurrency. The name of the cryptocurrency you get from this app is called Nano. The name of the app is called Tip Nano. Before then, let's move to explain how it works. First of all, let's open the app. Whenever you download the app from Google Play Store, then search Tip Nano from Google Play Store and launch the app. The app will open like this. When it opens like this, you can see all I have earned there. Now, see how you will be earning from this app. We are going to earning from this app from faucet. That is, we are going to be claiming this faucet every 4 hours, or participating in offer wars, or chatting or tax. Now, see what you are going to do. Let me choose this one, offer war. Let me choose this offer wars. When you click on offer wars, it will open. When it's open like this, you can see all the offers that you are going to be doing to be earning from this app. Number one is watching video. You'll be earning cryptocurrency. This is playtime. Playtime is you are going to be trying some games, new program games, and you'll be gaining money from it. You can see this one. This is the offers that you are going to be performing you can see this one, time war. If you do this perfectly, at least a day you are going to be earning at least $2 from this app. Is a new app. Now, I will leave the link so that you can download it from the link in the comment section, so that you are going to get free $1 whenever you use this link to register. If you want to watch video, click on this reward video. When you click on this reward video, it will give you a video, an advert for you to watch. Then they will give you 3.33 Natorum. This is a cryptocurrency. That is the name of this cryptocurrency. Like this one, if you click on this playtime, let's click on this playtime to show you how playtimes work. After showing how it works, I will go back and show you how the other ones works. When you open the playtime, let's wait for the playtime to open. You can see this one. These are games. I have not downloaded the games. Look at the one that I have downloaded, my apps. Let me show you the one that I have downloaded. You can see this one. I have completed it. Level 25. They will give you your commission for playing the game. Let's go back. They will give you your commission for playing the game. All these things you are going to be doing, you are going to be doing it with your phone. You can see these ones. This is the games that I have completed. This one I have not completed it. This one I have not completed. it. You click on play. Let's not click play it so that this video will be too long. When you click on this play, when you click on this thing now, it will you will start playing this game. After playing the game, you get commission. Each level that you pass, you get commission from the level that you pass. Let's go back and show you another offer that you are going to be doing from this app. It's very, very simple. All you have to do is as far as you have smartphone, the smartphone that you are used to watch me, you can use to earn from this app. Let's go to another one. Let's go to another offer. I love choosing this one because it's very quick. Time war is very quick to earn from it. When you click on it, it will move to your browser, any browser that you are using in your phone. You can see I'm using Firefox. It will move to your browser for you to perform surveys or clicking ads to earn money from it. And the money you are going to earn from this app, at least if you do everything that I said there perfectly, at least $2. And if $2 is not too much for you, or you are too big for this $2, you can skip this video. But if it's not too much, just watch this video to the end to see how you'll be earning your $2 every day. When it opens, let's allow it to open. Now when it opens like this, you can see what you are going to be performing here. Number one is surveys. Number two is tax. Number three is offer. Number four is behind this thing, it's ads. Let's click on it to show you how it goes. It's ads. Let me use this ads to show you an example how it goes. When it opens like this, when it opens like this, all you have to do is, when the ads open like this, you can see it. Scroll down and click on a post and earn 14 points for viewing this ad for 26 seconds. That is, if you view the ads, let me remove this. If you view this ad for 26 seconds, it will give you 14 points. Now, after the 14 points, you can withdraw your 14. But let me show you all the withdrawal that I have made from this time war. Let me show you my history withdrawal. Let's click on this history and see all my withdrawals. Let's wait for it to load. This is all my withdrawal I have made from this time for all. Yesterday 126 points because my phone is off yesterday, but lifetime 10,000 points. That 10,000 is this 10,130 points is about $5. This 130 point is about $5 now, and it's about 2 days now. You can see it. I have shown you on how you can earn money to this app, Tip Nano. Now let me show to you how you can withdraw your money from this Tip Nano. Before showing you that, you can see this is ladderboard. They call it ladderboard. That is, everybody from this app are capable of participating in this ladderboard, and this ladderboard you are able to withdraw $1. They will give you free $1 for the first person that won this ladderboard. This own ladderboard ends in 13 hours. You can see this person is the first person, Pizza Steve. After the 13 hours, if Pizza Steve is still the first person, it will earn $1 immediately. Pizza will earn $1. Now let me show to you on how you can withdraw your Tip Nano. How you can end your Tip Nano. When you want to end your Tip Nano, you can see, click on this redeem. When you click on this redeem, let me click on it so that, click on this redeem. You can see you can redeem it with Nano. You can redeem your Tip Nano with Nano. You can redeem it with BTC, that is Bitcoin. I enjoy with Nano. Or you can use it to buy gift cards. If you don't want cryptocurrency, you can use it to buy gift cards or any card you want. You can see you can use it to buy gift card and sell it to any card vendor that you want. Now let's go back. Now let's redeem it. Let's redeem this thing, this Nano that I have corrected. Now let me withdraw. Let me click on this Nano. When you click on this Nano, this is my address. This is my Nano address. It will send to my Nano address immediately, which is my Trust Wallet address. Redeem. Now let me redeem it. You can see it. Nano sent. You can see they have sent it already. Trust Wallet. Let me check my Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet to check whether the Nano has dropped. It has not. Okay, it has dropped already. You can see it now. I want to show you my history. Where shall the history have not shown, but the Nano have dropped. It have dropped because I'm having below 1 Nano here. Now you can see it. I have withdrawn $1. You can see it. This is what I withdraw, $1.52 just today. Withdrawing $1 or $2 every day is simple as ABC.